Hello and welcome to your last maths session of the week. So this is session 3. If you are in the Wood Maths class, you'll be doing this session at home, and it's a follow-up of the learning that we did together in class. So the stuff that you were doing on Monday and Tuesday about sharing, there's a little activity for you to do now just to finish off the week with. We've got our teddy bears again. And for you to join in, I'd like you to go and find 2 teddy bears or just 2 toys of some sort. So it could be 2 dolls or 2 robots and 10 small objects. So I'm just using pictures of cakes, but you might have 10 counters or 10 little Lego pieces that you can find. So if you need to go and get those, just pause the video and then you can join in with me. Firstly, I'm going to choose a number card. So I've got between 2 and 10, and I'm going to start off with number 6. You can write number 6 in your learning, and then I'm going to count out 6 of my objects. So count along with me, your objects, and then we're going to share our 6 between, I've got 2 teddies, you've got 2 of something else. So I've got my 6 and I'm going to share. So remember, I give 1 to them, 1 to you, 1 to you, oops, 1 for you, 1 for you, and 1 for you. Let's check. How many has this bear got? So he's got 3. Oops. And this one has also got 3. What can you tell me about 6? That's right, it is an even number because we could split it evenly, we could share it evenly into 2 parts. Let's have a go at another one together. Let's get rid of these in here. Oops. This time I think, let's go for number 7. So let's count out 7 objects. You count out yours. I've got my 7. You got your 7. Now let's see if we can share them. So 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you. Ooh. So I've noticed that if I give this one to this teddy bear, they'd have 4 and this would only have 3. If I brought it over to this bear, they would have 4 and they would only have 3. So by keeping the cake whole, I can't share 7 evenly. And that is because it is an odd number. What I'd like you to do is carry on with this activity. So choose a few more numbers, write the number in the middle, count out that amount of objects and see if you can share them equally. And remember, by sharing them equally, it means that each bear needs to have the same amount. If, just like we just found out with 7, you have 1 left, remember that means that it is an odd number and we can't share the odd numbers. We can only share the even numbers. So this will help you to also work out which numbers are odd and which numbers are even. Once you've had a go at that, if a grown-up takes any photos of you, then you can send them to our reception email address for us to see.